The Ton ecosystem is growing bigger every day, and new projects related to it are announced regularly. In this video, I will introduce a new Telegram bot related to the Ton ecosystem. If you're ready, let's get started. Welcome aboard. The establishment of the Ton ecosystem was carried out by Telegram in 2018. Later, the management of Ton was taken over by the Ton Foundation, but the Ton ecosystem remains directly connected to Telegram. For a long time, I have been sharing Telegram bots related to the Ton ecosystem with you. You can access these bots by visiting my playlist. In this video, we will explore a bot called Rocky Rabbit. The bot's initial appearance is as shown on the screen. By interacting with this rabbit, you can earn points. At the top, you can see the newcomer tournament section, which is currently at 98%. I want to show you what happens if we get this to 100%. Yes, the upgrade option has become active. The bot is now showing me the tasks I need to complete. It tells me that I need to complete the task listed below to proceed with the upgrade. It guided me through the tasks repeatedly and took me to the lowest level task. I am progressing through the nutrition task and want to complete this upgrade. Yes, the upgrade is complete. You need to complete these interconnected tasks. The mine section is quite similar to the Hamster combat bot. Here there's a section where you can earn points by selecting daily cards. If you think the cards you select are correct, choose 3 cards and check them. If your cards are correct, you will receive a reward of 2 million points. You have 5 guesses for this. I will share with you what the correct cards are. However, to unlock the cards, you need to have a high level and be able to spend points. For this, you need to continuously collect points. If your level is high, it will be much easier to unlock the cards and participate in events. There are many different sections here. Options include Fighter, Coach, Tournaments, and Enigma. Each section offers many ways to earn extra points. In the Enigma section, you can earn extra points if you find the correct sequence of words. The Mine section is a bit complex and has many features. Outside the Mine section, a battle area will be opening soon. You can use the Friends button to invite your friends. The Airdrop section is necessary for connecting your wallet. I will connect my Tonkeeper wallet here. Let's look at the other sections on the main page. In the top left, there is a section where you can choose a sponsor. You can select your desired sponsor and adjust your settings here. The Earn button is for tasks. By completing these tasks, you can earn extra points. The Boost section is where upgrades and daily boosters are found. You can use these options to increase your touch power, energy, and hourly limit. Prepare your rabbit for battles using the options in the Mine section and increase your hourly earnings. Those who use the Hamster combat bot will find this bot familiar. To achieve a good ranking in the bot, you should understand and effectively use the functions within the bot. Those who only want to earn airdrops by tapping should consider other bots in my playlist. I hope this video has been useful for you. If you support my video and mention in the comments that you want a more detailed video about Rocky Rabbit, I am ready to work on it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.